Yes, this is Robert Wilkins from the Car Alarm Shop. Now we're going to get into basic radio removal and installation for Expert Village. Now, on this particular Mazda, there are no screws to remove the radio. Basically, you just pop the cover off and the radio comes out. Or on any other vehicle, you have to remove panels, remove hidden screws. Once the panel comes out, you have access to the radio wiring. Here's the antenna lead, which gives you your radio. This is the standard Motorola plug, which is inserted. Without this being inserted, you get no radio stations. Of course, these circuits are protected. Here's the amplifier wires. They're called RCA cables, going to the back of the EQ, which runs all the way across the line of the vehicle, all the way to the back of the vehicle, and power the amplifier. Here's a remote wire, which turns the amplifier on and turn the EQ on when the power button is pressed on the radio.